Hello, today we will guide you through how to log in to a Ryanair account. To begin, open your preferred web browser and go to the official Ryanair website. For the safest experience, type the address directly into the address bar and check for the padlock icon in the browser, which indicates a secure connection. When the homepage loads, you might see cookie notices or promotional banners. Go ahead and close or accept these so you can clearly view the navigation area. Now look toward the top right corner of the page for the login option. On some screens, it may appear after the page fully loads or as the header bar adjusts, so give it a moment if you don't see it right away. Once you spot it, click Login to open the sign-in panel. You should now see fields for your account credentials. Click into the email field and carefully type the email address associated with your Ryanair account. Take a second to check for common typos, like missing characters or extra spaces copied from a note. Using the exact email you registered with is important so Ryanair can locate your account. Next, move to the password field and enter your password. Passwords are case sensitive, so make sure caps lock isn't on and that any special characters are entered correctly. If you use a password manager, this is a good time to autofill or paste to avoid mistakes. With both fields completed, click the login button. Give the page a moment to process. Avoid clicking multiple times as that can interrupt the request. If the details are correct, you'll be taken to your account area where you can view bookings and personal settings. If an error appears, review the email and password for spelling issues or unwanted spaces, and try again. If you prefer not to enter a password, you can log in using your Google account. On the same sign-in screen, choose Continue with Google. A small window may open asking you to select the Google account you want to use. Pick the account that's linked to Ryanair, then follow the on-screen prompts to confirm. If your browser blocks pop-ups, briefly allow them for the Ryanair site so the Google window can appear. If you have two-step verification on your Google account, complete that prompt and you'll be redirected back, signed into your Ryanair account. That's it. You're now ready to manage your travel securely and efficiently on the Ryanair website.